Hello friends, welcome all of you to your own YouTube channel Eliminating Group 360 Education. This YouTube channel is designed to provide free education to students, and in this order we have launched a new course for students who are preparing for various or several competitive examinations along with the entrance examinations as students. In this particular course, basically our main objective or our main target is to provide informative videos to the students who are preparing for the law schools and universities rated who conducts the entrance examinations for the law entrance, and also the students who are preparing for the graduation and post graduation entrance examinations of the several universities and the top schools. And in that respect we have started this channel, and we have also started to provide videos in two ways. In the first way we provide the videos that are based on the theory, and in the second way we have started providing videos that are rated with the question session. And in that sequence, this is the fifth part of the question bank series, and in this part we will complete question number 80 to question number 100 with the detailed solutions. Okay, and we will provide around 200 questions rated with the constitution and polity in the first phase, and after that we will also provide some other important questions related with the constitution and polity. Okay, so now we are going to begin with the lecture, and अब ये चाहते हैं कि आप लोग पूरी कंसंट्रेशन से इस पूरी वीडियो को देखें ताकि आपके जो एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन हैं उसमें क्वेश्चंस अगर ये मिले तो उनको आप होपफुली बढ़िया तरीके से सॉल्व करें और आप एक बढ़िया मुकाम पाएं अपनी लाइफ में। चलिए शुरू करते हैं फिर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 से हमें देखना था। यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 81, काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट इन इंडिया कैन क्रिएट एन ऑल इंडिया सर्विस बाय। Council of States in India can create an all India service by. So what will be the answer? 2/3 majority, simple majority, 3/4 majority, yeah, unanimously. So answer will be what? It is 2/3 majority. Question number 82. Public Accounts Committee has member from. Public Accounts Committee has members from 82. Public Accounts Committee has members from House of the People, the Council of States only, state legislatures, both houses of the Parliament. So answer will be both houses of Parliament. Question number 83. Adjournment of the House is the power of the. Adjournment of the House is the power of the President, Speaker, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers. So answer will be Speaker. The adjournment of the houses is the power of the Speaker. So question number 84. Committee in Public Undertakings has members from. Committee in Public Undertaking has members from both houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha only, Rajya Sabha only, State Legislative Council. Answer will be both houses of Parliament. Question number 85th. Unstart question requires oral answer, 0 hour, supplementary questions, written answer. So what will be the answer? Option number D, written answer. Now question number 86. Signed die is associated with the power of the. Signed die is associated with the power of the. So President, Speaker, Chief Justice, Prime Minister. Answer will be Speaker. Question number 87th. Who holds the purse holds the power. Who said this? Who holds the purse holds the power. Who said this? ये किसने कहा है? 87th. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ये कमेंट है एक तरह का. जेम्स मैडिसन, Harold Lasky, Jawaharlal Nehru or Clement Attlee. So answer will be James Madison. Next, question number 88. Which article of the Constitution of India says there shall be a council of ministers with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President? Which article of the Constitution of India says there shall be a council of ministers with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President? So answer will be Article 74, option number A. Question number 89th. The President of the Indian Republic has only suspensive veto, absolute veto, pocket veto, none of these. Question number 89th. Answer will be A. Only suspensive veto. Only suspensive veto. Question number 90. The members of the councils of ministers, the member of the council of minister are collectively responsible to judiciary, house of the people, council of states, the president. So what will be the answer? Answer will be house of the people, Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha. Okay. Next, question number 91. Under which article of the Constitution of India the governor of a state can resume a bill for the consideration of the president? Under which article of the Constitution of India the governor of a state can resume a bill for the consideration of the president? Answer will be Article 200. Article 200. Okay. Question number 92. The term federal is derived from the Latin word foedus, which means the term federal is derived from the Latin word foedus, which means 92. Covenant. Answer will be what? Covenant. अब इसी में मैं आपसे प्रश्न पूछ सकता हूँ कि ये बताइए, इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज फेडरल और इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज नॉट फेडरल? कमेंट करिएगा इस आंसर को. Which commission has examined the center-state relations? Which commission has examined the center-state relations? Sarkaria Commission, Sri Krishna Commission, Rajmannar Commission, Kher Commission. So answer will be option number A, Sarkaria Commission. Question number 94. In the Indian federal system, residuary powers rest with the. In the Indian federal system, residuary power rest with the. So answer will be center, option number D. Question number 95th. Unequal representation of states in the Council of States in India indicates what? The federal nature, the unitary feature, the bicameral feature, none of these. So answer will be what? The unitary features, option number B. The unitary features. Question number 96. The chairman of the National Development Council is, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा चुका है, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर? सो आंसर विल बी प्राइम मिनिस्टर. द चेयरमैन ऑफ द नेशनल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 97. The Indian federal system is largely based on the pattern of. The Indian federal system is largely based on the pattern of US federal system, Australian federal system, Swiss federal system, Canadian federal system. So answer will be option number D, Canadian federal system. Canadian federal system. Question number 98. The Constitution of India adopted the federal system from the Act of 1919, 1935, 1947, 1909. So answer will be 1935. Second last question. National Integration Council reflects the nature of the Indian federal system. Federal nature, unitary nature, competitive nature, confederal nature. It is option number B, unitary nature. Question number 100. Madan Mohan Punji Commission was appointed to study center-state relations, state reorganization, Panchayat Raj, delimitation of constituencies. So answer will be what? Center-state relation. Question number 101. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for cooperation between states? Article 32, Article 360, Article 14, Article 263, Article 32 Constitutional remedy it is related है, Article 360 है Financial Emergency से. तो basically C और D में कोई एक हो सकता है. So answer will be Article 263. Okay. So this is the 20 question of the part 5. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this informative video, do like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and yours YouTube channel Illuminating Group 360. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day. This is Illuminating Group 360 by the student for the student.